Hello guys, today we are working on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. I will be replacing one of the lugnut stud, and I will also be replacing the rotor, and in the process I will show you how to replace the brake pad as well. So let's start. The lug nut at 20 millimeter lug nut. Okay. I might end up replacing two lug nuts. Anyway, now I'm going to jack up the vehicle. Okay. So now that we have the wheel out of the way, we are going to remove the caliper. The brake caliper is here. So to do that, we will need a 14 millimeter So I have 14 millimeter. Okay, we do at the bottom too. All right, so I'm in the process of removing the caliper now. So I'm in the process of removing the caliper bolt. This is what it looks like. These are long bolts. There's another one at the bottom. Alright, this one is off as well. So now we can remove this. Okay, and we can set it aside. We can set aside the caliper. Okay, and then slowly we can remove the rotor. The rotor is not being held by anything, so you can just kind of snap it off. Is off, and this is what it looks like. Now we are going to remove the stud. To do this, all we have to do is just hammer it. And then it's off. So that's it. It's off. So I'm going to put the new one in. One moment. So this is the new stud. I bought it at O'Reilly. So you just put it through the back. Let me angle it, see if I can angle it better. This is kind of in the way though. Let's see. That is in the way. What I'm going to do is jack up the wheel and trying to turn it. Jack up the wheel on the other side and turn the tire and see if that will be helpful. So let me see. This is a better angle. Just want to find the best angle to put this in. Okay. This looks like the best one. Let me check something. Okay, I was able to find the best single to be here, so you can install it through the crevice of the brake, back of the brake bracket, caliper bracket here. So this is where I was able to put it in. So now just trying to flush it in. Yeah, this way. Okay, so that you can flush inside, because this side, this need to flush inside the hub here. Almost in. No, it's not in quite yet. So there's another way we can do this. Can be done this way. Oh, come on. Actually do this, okay, and then let's see. Okay, I think it's in now. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and replace another strip stud, this one here. Just I'm going to hammer it.